Hello guys, good evening. Right now on UHRS, this job search satisfaction English is showing here. Uh, this job is a very good job. Mm, the earnings per hit is somewhat low, but that doesn't mean that you can't get money from here. If you have any problem regarding some higher paying heat app, like the heat app, the higher paying heat apps are not showing, so in that case you can continue your job, continue your work by this type of heat apps. That means we want 8 hours of job, okay, but in UHRS it is not possible sometimes that you just passed a single heat app with 15 cents, like comment abuse moderation. So sometimes comment abuse moderation don't have any hits within it, so it is not possible to have all the workload from the comment abuse moderation so that we can complete 8 hours straight. So in that case you can fill that gap with this kind of hit app, so that you can regularly, your income flow is will be regular. You can get workload for straight 8 hours. If you have any question regarding this strategy, you can put your question in the comment section. I will answer it. I will more clarify it. So it is published today. It is actually published not today. It is refreshed today. 24 second per hit is the time to complete one hit. So we can say that within minute you can complete 2 hits, and within 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, you can complete 60 into 2, that is 120 hits. Now if you multiply 120 into 1.83 cent, let's multiply it. So 1.83 cent into 120 hits, it is 219.6 cents, that is $2.19. So if you continue this app for straight 4 hours, then you will get $8.78 or 9 or almost $9. And if you continue this job for 6 days, you will get $52, okay, by doing only this job 1.83. So for my Indian friends, if you convert $52.70 into Indian currency, you can find that it is a good money. But it also depends on the livelihood, and it also depends on the local. So that doesn't mean that you can't earn any money from this kind of low paying jobs. You will get money, a handsome amount of money from doing this heat app. And the number of hits are also huge here. Okay, this almost 25,000 hits are available. You can bookmark this heat app if you already passed it, or otherwise you need to qualify this search satisfaction. I already passed it, so start is showing here. You can download the guidelines from here. You can leave a feedback, like if you are facing any problem regarding this heat app, then you can put your feedback here, like this: heat app issue, heat app is slow, service error, illegal content, incorrect pop-up answer, and you need to summarize your feedback. Okay, here is a preview hit by which you can practice. Okay, you can practice, and training is also available here. So you can, before starting your job, you can get trained by clicking on this. And if you don't want to do this job, then just press this and this hide heat app, and this job will be vanished from the marketplace. So I am going to do this search satisfaction job. It will take some time to open this heat app. See, this heat app is loading right now, and I always recommend that please, from the Chrome store, you should install this UHRS extension. This will helps you a lot. Okay, so now we have this UI here, and you can see that this is the lease expiry time. Within this time you have to do the job. It is a huge amount of time. You don't need to think about it. So they provide a hefty amount of time to judge this. You need to think, you need to read, you need to research, and after that you need to judge, right? So it will take time, so they allocate a huge amount of time here. The guideline is here. If you click on it, the guideline will open. Okay, and these are the examples. Okay, so you just need to read the guideline. I am not going through the guideline because I am going to show how to do the job, and obviously it is based on the guideline, right? So some of my subscriber says that please elaborate the guideline. See, I am making this video and I am giving you a clear concept based on the guideline, so I don't need to clarify each one of it is not possible to clarify each sentences within the guideline. Okay, so I'm going to give a practical example based on the guideline. So if you face any kind of technical issue, you can report a technical issue from here. And if you want a break, or if you don't continue this job, you can return to dashboard by clicking on this arrow. Now for the query is thus dash ion is represented by the electron configuration. This is the query, and this is the query location, Houston, Texas, and this is the query intent description. So this description is not the final description or final intent of the user. First need to understand this. It is uh, it is here for your help. So as you can see that here it is mentioned that it may happen that the user has different intent. So do the research, understand the intent of the user, and after that complete your judgment. So my they also provide you a possible intent. Like the query intent is to find the ion which is the electronic configuration. So it is a scientific topic. So best result will be this: link to chemistry subject websites, short answer snippet showing. Okay. So how can you research and and find the intent? This is the main thing here. You need to find the intent of the user. To research the intent, you just need to click on Bing results, and you can see, you can just research, you can just read the whole pages, the snippet and all this stuff, but you don't have enough time, right? So you just need to browse it, you just need to browse, you just need to um, read some of the snippets, and within within two or three website or intent website, or by reading snippet, you will get the clear idea that what is the intent of the user. And if you don't want to use Bing, and you can also use the Google to research the intent. So the main thing is that you need to understand the intent of this query. If you find incorrect intent, then this heat tab is a nightmare, because the essence, the main primary factor of this heat tab is to find the user intent by researching the query. When you understand the query, when you understand the intent, user intent, your half job is done. And after that, you just need to tell that whether it meets, somewhat meets, or does not meet the intent. That is whether the result page, see the result page here, it is not showing here, so I am open in new tab. See what is the result. You can see it will you can see a Facebook page, of a news website maybe, and you can see that the Biden administration plans to ease. So it is not about politics, it is about science, right? But the result page is showing that politics, US politics. So obviously it does not meet the user intent. The user intent is to find a chemistry question, chemistry answer, but the result page is showing US politics. So do you think that the result page is relevant to the query or the user intent? Obviously not. So in that case, you just need to click on this does not meet, and you can clarify your logic here by adding comments or suggestion here, and you need to click on the submit button. It may happen that it will meet that the result page is a chemistry subject page, right? So in that case, it will definitely meet. And somewhat meet means that some of the user may find it useful, like a part of the user intent, like Apple. If a query is Apple, the intent is maybe the intent of Apple may be the Apple computer, Apple company, or the Apple uh, fruit. So if the major intent is Apple company, the user want to know about the Apple products, right? So in that case, it will meet most of the user. But it may happen that that the next intent is apple fruit, but it is less likely intent of the user. So in that case, if the result page is showing the fruit nutrition facts, then it will be somewhat mixed, because few of the user is satisfied with the result. If the result is in wrong language, it is not in English, you can see that it is in English, whole heat up is English. It is in another language, like you click on this and the result page is showing is in Hindi or in German, then it is in wrong language. Page doesn't load, like error page, like 404 error. That case you need to tag this page does not load. Adult content like a porn sites, you need to click on this. Login required, sometimes a login is required to read the article in some news sites or in some business sites. In that case, login required, you need to tag this. And harmful content like misinformation, hate speech, or some website which tries to download spyware, malware into your computer, this kind of content, if result page contains this kind of web page, you need to tag this harmful content. Okay, so this is the search satisfaction English heat app. So if you like this heat app, then um, just start your works, just start working. And if you like my video, then you can press the like button. If you want more informative videos like this, you can you can select the subscribe button, and all you need to press all notification bell to find all the notification. And please share it to your friends and colleagues, so that they can also earn extra bucks from this heat app. And if you have any suggestion or if you have any question, then please put your question in the comment section. You can also find my WhatsApp number in my channel page, channel about page. You can WhatsApp me. I will try to clarify, I will try to publish more videos based on my subscriber request. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.